Hey guys, Basil here with Tech Radar, and Huawei has just announced not one, not two, but 2.5, kind of 2.5 new tablets here at MWC 2018. They've announced the M5 range, which is 8.4 and 10.8 MediaPads, and they've also announced the MediaPad M5 Pro. The difference between the Pro and the 10.8 is just a pen, 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. So we're not going to dwell on that one too much, but what we will dwell on is what is inside the MediaPad M5s. 2K display on both, so that's 2560 by 1600, really nice high resolution. That means your pixel densities are going to be over 250 odd for the bigger version and over 300 for the smaller tablet. So sharp LTPS displays, or IPS displays even. They've also got this new technology inside that apparently makes them 20% better than past generation IPS panels. The bodies are also pretty standout in the sense that it's the first tablet from Huawei with 2.5D curved glass, metal unibody. You've got U antenna banding, so it looks and feels more like that premium smartphone than maybe that premium tablet, and it obviously therefore, because it's got antennas, supports radios, so it can give you high-speed internet on the go thanks to a SIM card slot. What you can also expect is USB-C ports but no headphone jacks, but you do get dongles in the box and speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. The smaller variant, the 8.4, has dual speakers, whereas the bigger variant has quad speakers, so it should give you a more immersive sound than most tablets on the block. Haven't seen an Android tablet in a while, and that's probably because Android tablets just aren't quite as productive as Windows tablets, but Huawei hopes to change that. In the larger variant, the MediaPad M5 10.8 and the Pro variant, you can actually get a keyboard dock, and the keyboard dock gives you an Emotion UI desktop experience that looks a lot more like Windows and should entice people to play about with more productivity tools than an Android tablet normally would. Still, you do have a fair amount of power under the hood. Kirin 960 processor with support for all the games in the Google Play Store as well. On top of that, there is smart resource management and game management that directs all the resources of the processor to your gaming, and there's machine learning, it being the Kirin 960 as well. Huawei promises extended battery life of up to 11 hours on the smaller variant, 10 hours on the bigger variant, so it should see you through a long-haul flight without too much hassle. We can't say anything too conclusive off the bat, but these look like relatively well-spec'd players. It's already going to come down to pricing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you're enjoying our Mobile World Congress 2018 coverage. If you want to see more from the show, techradar.com is your destination. Thanks for watching.